Good afternoon, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I am Gisa Javier, your anchor in G1 News. For today, October 13, 2022, I am bringing to you the exact week headlines of the fertilization and formation of human. Live from San Roque, reporting by John Indoy.
Thank you, Ms. Gisa. Fertilization happens when a sperm cell successfully meets on egg cell. In the fallopian tube, once fertilization takes place, this newly fertilized cell is called a zygote. From the here, the zygote will move down the fallopian tube and into the uterus lining. And here's the example of that one. That's all. Back to you, Jessa Javier.
Thank you, John. Now let's proceed our Chica Minute by Miss Christine Anzano, live from San Roque, reporting.
Thank you, Ms. Javier. Good afternoon to our viewers. Today we have a handsome visitor. First is Mr. Charlotte. The second is Mr. Okati. And the last is Mr. Lisandro. Good afternoon to our three handsome visitors. Today, I want to ask something about your own ideas. That's okay? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's alright.
I want to ask something about your idea to human creation. What is your idea about human creation?
The sperm and the egg combine to form a zygote. In human gestation, the zygote undergoes development into an embryo and fetus. Fertilization usually occurs at a full-length term of about 38 weeks. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Mr. Kathy, to your sharing your ideas. Mr. Charlotte, I want to ask your idea about process of woman development from fertilization to birth.
The process of prenatal development occurs in the main stage. The first two stages of fertilization are known as the germinal stage. The third row is the 8th week in the embryonic period, and the time from the 9th week until that is known as the fetal period. That's it.
Thank you for your sharing your ideas, Mr. Charlotte. And last, Mr. Listener.
Yes.
I want to ask something, your idea about stages of the fertilization of months.
There are three types of stages of growth in pregnancy, which are the first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. In first trimester, or 1 month, the fertilized egg grows. Water TikTok forms around it gradually, filling the fluid. This is called the amniotic sac. Then, in second month of the first trimester, a primitive face will take a form with large dark circle of eyes, like that. Then, third month, the arms, hand, fingers, feet, and toes are fully formed. Then the next is second trimester. In second trimester, which is month 4, the fetal heartbeat may now be audible through an instrument called Doppler. The fingers, toes are well defined. Then the 5th month, weeks 17 through 20. At this stage, you may feel the fetus moving around your tummy or the belly. The fetus is developing muscles and exercising them. Then the next month 6, if you could look inside the uterus right now, you would see that the fetus skin is reddish in color. Rings and veins are visible through translucent skin. Then, the 7th month. The fetus continues to mature, develop, reserve a body fat. At this point, her ring is fully developed. Then, the last is 3rd trimester, or the month 8. The fetus continues to mature, develop, and reserve a body fat. You may notice some kicking in the tummy of the mother, the brain developing rapidly at this time. Then, the month 9. During this stage, the fetus continues to grow. The lungs are close to being fully developed at this point. The fetus has coordinated reflexes. The head grabs firmly and responds to the sounds, light, and touch. And the last month, in this final month, you could go in labor at any time. You may notice that less movement because space is tight. And that's all, thank you.
Oh, thank you for sharing your idea, Master Lissandra. That's all for today. Thank you for visit to our studio, Mr. Charlotte,
It's always you're welcome.
Kati, and Mr. Lissandra. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Back to you, Miss Javier.
Thank you, Miss Christine and Zano. As a group 1, we gathered information, creation of human being, fertilization to birth. Pregnancy begins once the fertilized egg implants in the uterus. The embryo grows and becomes surrounded by structures that provide support and nourishment. Eyes, lungs, and organs appear as the embryo develops into the fetus. The fetus grows inside the uterus while pregnancy ends with labor and birth. That is all. Thank you. I hope you learned a lot in G1. Have a great day. This is Gisa Javier in G1 News.